Hi, I'm Ryan Pesch, Extension Educator from the University of Minnesota and board member of the Upper Minnesota River Valley chapter of Buy Fresh, Buy Local. Thank you for becoming a member. We created this toolkit for you. This is your place to find all the Buy Fresh, Buy Local files, marketing ideas, and templates to create your own marketing materials featuring the Buy Fresh, Buy Local label as well as logo. Since our local foods campaign is only as good as the number of members using the materials, we created this toolkit to make it as easy as possible for you to use the Buy Fresh, Buy Local marketing materials in your own organization or business. In this video, I'm going to take you on a short tour to introduce you to the site and what you can do here. What we're looking at right now, and what you're looking at, is the home page. The Buy Fresh, Buy Local Toolkit homepage. As you'll see here, it's organized with a home page as well as subpages related to the different uses of different member needs. We have all the files on one page. We have a page for growers and farmers, for those that sell at or organize farmers markets, those that are sell at restaurants or are restaurant owners and retailers, and also for vocal locals, those that are supporters. Certainly, some of your needs may bleed across these different categories, so just check out the different pages and find what you need. Also, at the bottom of the home page, we have the Buy Fresh, Buy Local member application, as well as a vocal local brochure. Again, vocal locals are those who are supporters but may not be growers of local foods. So certainly feel free to download either of these and pass them on to either supporters that you think would be interested in becoming members, or as well as others that direct market local produce and local foods in our region, to have them join up. So we will move on to the second page, Buy Fresh, Buy Local, where the Buy Fresh, Buy Local files are at. Here you will see all the files as JPEGs that are available to you. We see the Buy Fresh, Buy Local Challenge label. All the labels that you can just click on and see. They come in black and white and color. And to download something, you'd click on it, you'd right-click, either copy this image and then paste it into a Word document or another kind of document, or save the image as and save it somewhere on your computer. As you see, there are different sizes of labels. This is 4 by 3.5 inches, 6 by 5, and 9 by 8, depending on your needs. Just remember, the larger the size, the bigger the file. So if you don't want to deal with a very large file, you'd want to use a smaller label size. Also, if you're putting any of these labels on a website, say, it'd be a good idea to compress them, because as they are now, they are all high resolution files. At the bottom, you also see the regular logo, both in black and white in color. And it's now loading. And you'll see it there, which is different from the label. And lastly, you'll see point of purchase shells. These are useful to show. It's a shell that that's very useful for doing, say, price cards if you're at a farmer's market, or price cards in a retail setting. And you can click on them and also check those out. And at the top, you can go back to Home and go to some of the other subpages. For growers, we have a farm postcard posted here. I mainly posted, since I'm a grower myself, I post a lot of the marketing materials that I've used and produced in order to market my own farm. We sell at a farmer's market, as well as we have we also have a CSA, small CSA, and on-farm stand. So if you have any other kind of interesting applications that you found with using Buy Fresh, Buy Local materials, please send them our way, and we'd be more than happy to post them. So you'll see at the top an introduction about the different materials, right, and how to use it, as well as at the bottom an attachment, mostly as Word files that you can then open up and revise as you see fit. For farmers markets, we have another different postcard mailing, this 4-picture version. We also have a drawing entry that we've used successfully at our farmers market in Detroit Lakes in order to build a customer list. And we also have a whole collection of recipe cards that feature the Buy Fresh, Buy Local logo and label. And they also feature some of the some produce that isn't commonly used by a lot of consumers that they usually need a recipe for, and they are also very simple recipes, so it makes it very easy for a customer to use and cook with. And you'll see all of these down at the bottom, and you just click on them, open up the file, and then save it on your computer to use. We'll go back to the Toolkit home. We go to the section on restaurants and retailers. You'll see a point-of-sale promotion item that I put together using this Buy Fresh, Buy Local shell, which is very good if you're putting together a simple flyer like I did here. This we had featured. We sold produce to a cafe, and we created this point-of-sale promotion as a regular size piece of paper. Just to say that this restaurant featured produce from our farm. And you see a picture of myself and my family there next to our barn. And here you see it at the bottom, which you can click on and save on your computer and just revise as you see fit. And then lastly, we have for vocal locals, although there isn't much on that site. So this is a quick tour of the Buy Fresh, Buy Local Toolkit site. And again, we hope that this is just a beginning. We hope that this is something useful for you. And certainly, if you employ the Buy Fresh, Buy Local materials with your own business or organization, please share those with us. You can email me at pesch, P-E-S-C-H, at umn.edu. That's pesch, P-E-S-C-H, at umn.edu. And we'd be more than happy to put it up on the Toolkit site so that all of us can benefit from these materials, and working together with this marketing campaign throughout our region, all of us will benefit. Thank you.